and also networkers who may not really have the money to become investors or might have little money to become investors can make money, leverage from people they invite, they bring to make money, and also benefit from a program, an opportunity like this. And what do we all need? Both networkers and investors. Okay, what do we all need? What we need is number one, safety. Is our funds safe? Is our money safe? Is our resources safe? The people we are going to bring in, are their money safe? The money I'm going to put, the one you're going to put, are they all safe? That is what everybody is looking for, both the investors and the networkers. Do we have security? If something happens tomorrow, what happens to our fund? Can we have an understanding of who is the owner of the company, the product of the company? Is it possible? Are they visible? Are they men and women of integrity? Do we have security? That is what everybody is looking for. Is the company growing? Is your money growing? Are you making profit from the money you have deposited or you have invested? What is happening? What is the growth system of the company, the dynamics? That is what everybody is looking for. Is there support? Is there support in the company? If you want to make inquiry, you want to ask question, you have an issue, you want it to solve, do you have the support? Not only that, do you have support from the company to the networkers, whereby the company supports you to build your business in your cities and countries and all that? Do you have support from your upline or your leader or whoever invited you? Do you have such support? I tell you, in NWP, we have all these four vital factors or items. Welcome to a world where opportunity wants are endless, where we have endless opportunity. Imagine blending experience, idea, talent, and network to create prosperous future. Is a tsunami, my friends, ladies and gentlemen, is a tsunami when you blend all these things. Experience, your field of experience, your field of endeavor, whatever you're doing, all right, you blend it. In NWP, we have experienced experts that are managing our funds, doing all they need to do to generate profit and for both investors and networkers to make money. Experience with idea. My friend, think about it. With talents, unimaginable talents. As a networker, use your talent, your skill, your communication skills, and the knowledge you have with experience you have experience you've had in network marketing for many years, 10, 5, 3, 4, 5, 10, 20 years. You combine everything together. What do you think is going to happen? You're going to have a tsunami of prosperous future. That is what we are talking about. And that is why I tell you the truth that NWP is a place to be and is a business to do. And it is where money can be made. Build your network, unlock your potential. How do you do that? How do you unlock your potential? By taking advantage of this vehicle, NWP, to do what? To invest. If you have the money to invest and get returns every single week. You smile home, and not only that, your money is safe. As a networker, you take advantage of this opportunity. You build your potential by inviting massively to the Zoom meetings, to physical meetings, to every kind of meeting, and they come listen, and you do what? They invest, you make commissions, and you're smiling to the bank. That is what we're talking about. The power of platform. Now we have to, what are we talking about? Network. The bigger your network, can we hear me? If you can hear me, say something. Can you all hear me? Can you hear me? Can someone hear me?
Yes, we can. We can hear you.
Thank you. Thank you. Sorry for
Yes,
that
yes,
break in communication. Thank you so much. The power of platform. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Network. The bigger your network, the more net worth you create. The smaller your network, the lesser the network you create. Net worth you create. What does it mean? You can see the structure. This roundish thing here. It shows that the little one shows that you have little network. That is your circle of influence, your friends and family, the people you know, the people that can work with you in business are little. And of course, if you see the net worth, then net worth is just very little. You're making little dollar, $1, $2, $3. Now, when your network increases to more than 5, 10, 15, 20 and more, you can see your net worth, the money you can make, the benefit you can have will be more. Then when your network goes globally, maybe you have some friends, you have business partners in China, you have in Japan, you have in US, you have in Nigeria, you have in Ghana, you have in Kenya, you have in Uganda, you have in Canada, you have all over. Trust me, your net worth will do what? It will increase. The money you make will increase. The benefit will increase. If there are dividends, there are proceeds, there are incentives that the system will give. You're going to get all of them. You see yourself buying cars, buying houses, having lots of benefits. Why? Because your network is so large, and that has given you a lot of dividend, a lot of profit, a lot of benefit. That is what NWP is providing for us. Bigger network, which will give us better net worth. All right. Welcome. Okay, welcome. While your money is actually sitting in a bank, locker, or pocket, it's not growing. Don't forget that. If your money is in the bank, in your locker, wherever it is, that is not in a productive place like NWP, it doesn't give you money. All right. Your capital remains the same. But on this platform that we are having right now, we offer proceeds, we offer dividend, we offer profit that would make your money rest, still lie, but it's giving you profit. The platform you've been looking for, we offer the tools to help you manage your assets and grow your wealth. And what is the platform? NWP. What is the meaning of NWP? Network profit. Creating wealth, building prosperity. Can I hear you say creating wealth? Can I hear you say creating wealth? Building prosperity.
Creating wealth.
Building prosperity. Say it together. Creating wealth, building prosperity.
Creating wealth, building prosperity.
Building prosperity.
Fantastic. Thank you so much. Now, I want to let you know that NWP will be officially launched in February next month, 2025, in one of the countries that we're going to be mentioning later. All right. About us. Let's get to know about NWP. All right. NWP, the network profit, is a leading company in the asset management industry, focused on wealth planning, number one, investment advice, number two, managing portfolios, number three. We also specialize in a sustainable and responsible investing using our global market, all right, expertise to offer clients focused solution. Our team is made up of experienced professionals with over a decade of experience in asset management. We are committed to delivering excellence and innovation. In summary, NWP has a bunch of experts, experienced people that have been in the asset management industry for over a decade that can plunge in the money we investors are bringing in and bring it out at the end of the week with profit. That is a summary. What are we looking for? Where we can make more money, where we can make profit from every single day, every week, every month, every week. We prioritize customer satisfaction by providing customized solutions that add value and build long-term partnership. Launched across 12 countries, serving diverse market worldwide. The solution, which is value, is actually what this company prioritizes. So what exactly is the mission of NWP? We prioritize customers' satisfaction by providing customized solutions that add value and build long-term partnership. Ladies and gentlemen, our vision is to become the top asset management firm known for strong performance and positive community impact. while developing careers and empowering the next generation of financial professionals. Are you aware that our children, the next generation, are actually the people that will be creating bigger wealth than us? Are you aware that those your children that are in secondary school, in tertiary institution, are the people that have the understanding of technology, both AI technology and other technologies that will give bigger money and more money than what we have right now? And that is the reason why the best thing you can do is to invite those your kids, your children, even those in secondary school, invite them to the call like this to come and hear this amazing opportunity. Get them signed up, get them used to the system, because let me tell you, they are the next generation of professionals. So don't leave them behind. Do we have asset management framework? Oh, yes, we do. We do. All right. Asset management is the professional handling of different investment like stocks, all right, like bonds, real estate, and other assets to meet specific financial goals. And don't forget, expertise and professional guidance is needed in execution of asset management. If you want to have a good execution of asset management, you must have what? You must have experts and professional guidance, customized investment strategies, access to advanced opportunities. Please, you can mute yourself, please. Everyone, mute yourself. And also diversification of funds. In asset management, you don't deposit funds in just one single business. You diversify it into several businesses, and we're going to see some of those businesses this company NWP is diversifying our investment or our resources into. Asset management industry globally. Let me explain. Global asset management industry size. All right, the size is over $100 trillion globally, with steady growth by increasing demand for professional investment management. It is over $100 trillion and is still growing. So the industry we are talking about is not a baby industry. It's not a small industry. It's not today industry. It's been there for several years. But good thing, NWP is just entering to tap into this over $100 trillion industry. And in this industry, as I speak with you, we have never recorded any form of scam, unlike other industries where you say people have been scammed. But in asset management, no record of scamming or scam since its inception. Why? Because of course there is the industry take hold or do judicious risk management procedure. They make sure before any investment is being done, there must be risk management. They must analyze it and be sure that this place is a viable place to deposit money or to put in or to invest money. Then apart from that, there is private equity returns. There is average long-term success ratio. That is when you calculate the ratio, the long-term ratio that will give benefits to the investors or to the clients, it is excellent. All right. So they will put all these factors into place before investment to be done, before it to be executed. Average long-term success ratio and diversification of portfolio success. So you discover that when you check the success ratio in asset management industry, you will discover that the success based on the portfolio diversification is 100%. It is amazing. And I want to let you know that NWP as one of the asset management company has decided or is actually investing into property and renting of houses. That is real estate. So we are into real estate, as you can see on the PDF. Apart from real estate, we are also, that is buying and selling, renting of properties. We're also into gold, precious stones like gold, silver, and diamond, and other things. All right. We're also into government bonds. Some of us are very conversant with that. Those are 100% risk-free assets or risk-free investment, okay? We're also into fixed deposits, into index funds, and so on and so forth. And other products will also be joining in a couple of months to come. Now, I want to talk about the synergy between the asset management and network marketing. Why is it that NWP, being a network marketing company, combining it with asset management? Why are we having these two big industries together? Asset management is a huge industry. Network marketing is also another huge industry. When you join the two of them together, what do you think is going to happen? It's going to be an oil well of money making. I tell you the truth. And that is why I want to let you know that when you join the both of them in synergy, you're going to have dual income opportunity. What does it mean? You'll be making money as an investor. You can also be making money as a networker. And if you say, no, I don't want to talk to anybody, I just want a place I'm going to invest my money, good and fine. Invest your money with NWP, go and sleep. Your money is safe. Your money is in hands of professionals, experts. You can always have your proceeds or your profit every weekend. You withdraw it, you go and use it to your family, and you are safe. And if you say, no, I don't have money to invest, but I can bring people, I can invite people, like I have investors, bring them in, leverage on them, make your money, whatever commission these people are making, whatever profit they are making, you are making commission from that profit every single week for the next years to come. That is the synergy between the asset management and also the network marketing. Very simple. Financial independence for all. Do you want financial independence? You don't get financial independence. I'm sorry to say that. You don't get financial independence by doing job. J-O-B. Somebody said it's just overbroke. Another word for job is just overbroke. You don't become financially independent. It is not bad. It is excellent to do job. It is excellent to work as a paid job, to get paycheck. Fantastic. But you don't get financial freedom from that. You only get financial freedom by owning your own business, by being your own entrepreneur, by joining a project, a company, or working with such a company, partnering with such a company like NWP, okay, which can help you leverage on other people's money. And that is what we're talking about. All right. So financial independence is secured in these two industries, asset management and network marketing. All right. Another thing you're going to very interesting is job creation and empowerment opportunity. Yes, you have young people around you that just finished school and all that, or people that lost their job, or retirees. Tell them I have something for you that can put money in your pocket. Bring them into meeting like this. They come learn what we're doing, and they have created a job for themselves. And before you know what is happening, they start earning money, not monthly, they will earn weekly. How dare you work for 30 days and earn money once? Why? It's an error. It's a mistake. It's an error. You don't work for 30 days and you earn money once. It is not ideal. It's better you work for 30 days and earn money 4 times in a month. Fantastic. Does that sound interesting? That is what we're talking about. Expanding wealth creation. Do you know that you can expand your wealth from Africa to Asia to Europe to America to all over the world through such opportunity? How do you do that? I'll tell you later. All right. Assessing exclusive investment opportunity. You're going to assess investment opportunities in different categories. We call them portfolios. I'm going to show you how our portfolios look like in a few. All right. Creating global impact, of course, empowering entrepreneurs. That is what this company and this opportunity is all about. Empowering people that are not empowered. Are you interested in that? Are you interested in just making money for yourself, your family, me, myself, and myself? Or you want to help people out there that don't have food to eat, don't have house to live, that don't have anything? Are you ready? Are you such kind of person, a philanthropist, someone who loves people, who loves to help people? Then this is the right opportunity that you can help yourself, your family, and people out there. And that is why I bring you to the business plan, how you can make money even if you don't have money. You can make money even if you don't have money. Somebody will say, how possible? And I will show you how possible that is. By including network marketing in its strategy, NWP creates a community-focused growth model. Don't forget, a community-focused growth model where clients not only grow their own wealth, but also contribute to the company's expansion through shared success. What are we talking about? You in Nigeria, you in Canada, you in South Africa, you in Ghana, so another person in Kenya, we all together can create a synergy and build wealth and help people. How do we do that? By inviting people to meetings like this, by sharing this good news with them. Wherever they are, they can do it, they can participate. As they participate, you earn commission. Everybody, every one of us earn commission, and everybody's happy. Why are we in NWP? Why NWP, NWP, NWP? Why is it about NWP? One of the reasons is because NWP is one of its kind, a project, a company that you can join free without any single dollars. Somebody said, how? Is it possible? I tell you, yes, it's possible. You can join this great company without having $1, and you can cash out dollars every single week, ladies and gentlemen. I mean what I'm saying. And you can also, if you have the money, how are you going to achieve that? I'm going to let you know. I will let you know. All right. You can still earn as an investor. You can also earn as a networker every single week, and you earn this money over and over and over, again and again and again. And if you say, no, I don't want to join free, I want to join with something, you can start as small as $10. $10 freaking dollars, $10 little dollar. $10 is something you can use to take a coffee in some places. Coffee, tea, you can snacks, burger, wherever it is. You can eat it up in one single, in 30 minutes or 1 hour, it's done. But with the same $10, you can start up a business, a global business, an opportunity that can make you something out, that can bring something out of nothing, that can make you somebody from nobody. All right, that is $10. NWP empowers community by allowing access to its trading system for just $10, enabling everyone to earn profit, typically reserved for high-income participants. Now, this project or asset management has been meant for the bourgeois, the big boys, the rich people, the multimillionaires, and in dollars. All right, and in different currencies. But today, NWP has broken asset management industry into pieces, into little fragments, so that small people, little people with little money, as low as $10 can join the big boys to make money. That's what we're talking about. All right, and you're going to earn in hard currency in dollars. What can be as sweet as any money in dollars, ladies and gentlemen? If you translate dollar to some currencies in Africa, you know that dollar is sweet. So, and this you can join with different cryptocurrencies, different digital assets as ERC20 USDT, BIP20 ETH, BIP20 BNP, BNB, BIP20 USDT, Polygon USDT, and so on. All right, these are, if you're not familiar with this, don't bother, don't worry yourself, don't crack your brain so much. We'll teach you, we'll guide you on how to use it to get yourself onboarded, how to use it to register or get yourself funded. All right, we're going to teach you all that. And in this project, we have 3 portfolios, like I told you before. With little money, you can join the big boys to own a portfolio, and that will give you money every single week, every single month for years to come, 5-10 years to come. That's what we're looking at. So we have the first portfolio, which is called the foundation. The foundation is a portfolio that you can start with as small as $10, ladies and gentlemen, $10 little dollars. $10 up to $5,000. And if you join within this category, you're going to be earning between 5% to 10% in a month. Somebody is saying only. Well, what you said only is actually a very big money for the big boys. What I mean is the investors, the rich people in the world. If you tell them they're going to earn, some of them, if you tell them they're going to get 10% in a year, they will say, are you sure? How? I don't think there's any bank that can pay you 10% interest if you deposit your money, if you fix your money with them in a year. I don't think there is any. So the big investors understand the power of percentages and the power of leverage. So it is quite a huge one. But good news. The good news is that in this company, since we started, the company has actually, we have not made anything less than 10% in a month. We have made more than 10% in 4 weeks. There are weeks the company paid up to 16%. Sorry, months. Some weeks 7%, some weeks 5 point something, some weeks 4% plus, some weeks 3% plus, depending on what the proceed or the profit that is being generated from the market. Don't forget, this is not one money rotation business. Don't forget, this is not one Ponzi business. Don't forget, this is not one you are going to get 1% daily, 5% daily, 10% daily. No. We are not in those crap. We are not in those things. Those are Ponzi's. Those are fake things. We are in serious, genuine, long-term projected business that will give you money for years to come, and your mind is at rest. You can go and sleep. Your money is safe. Any day you want, you can pull out your capital and go away with it. Somebody said, is it possible? Yet it is possible. I will show you one more thing. Now, the next portfolio is called the growth portfolio, where you have $10,000 up to $20,000. If your package falls into this category, the good news is that you can earn between 8% to 12% in a month. But don't forget, when we don't pay monthly, we pay weekly. So you're going to get them in weeks. Every week, you will make this money. So what happens is that your money goes into the market to work for you. The best thing is for your money to work for you. Your money goes to work for you from Monday to Friday, 5 working days. By the 6th day, which is on Saturday, your profit and your capital will be released. Ladies and gentlemen, you can go home with it. You can withdraw everything and disappear. And if you want to continue, you leave your capital, it keep working for you. You can take your profit alone. You can also take your capital and your profit and walk away every weekend. Very interesting, very simple and powerful. I wanted to give NWP a round of applause. I have never seen such a project before. It is super amazing. Now, the third one, like I said before, the company has been paying more than 12% in a month. So this is just an average. This is an average to show you that they are paying more than they are promising. The company is paying more than it is promising. That is amazing. That was exactly what we're looking for. Then the elite package is from $50,000 and above, and you can earn between 10% up to 15% in a month. But I assure you, we have been making more than 15% in a month. That is the beauty of NWP. They promise less, you make more. How does it work? How does it work? It starts with a Monday to Friday to generate profit. We generate profit from the money you have deposited, and weekly profit sent to payment gateway and straight to your dashboard. And you can see it on your dashboard. That is on your back office, on your own website, on your customized website, your back office. You will see the money there. It's up to you to pull it out, or to say, I want to continue doing the business. You can withdraw your profit direct to your crypto wallet, and you can enjoy it. Very simple. Very simple. You can enjoy your dollars every single week. Today is what? Tuesday. On Saturday, everybody was paid. We're all paid, and people were cashing out their own. And some person said, no, I'm not going to cash out. I'm going to withdraw it and take it back withdraw the profit and take it back to the capital, to the principal, like compounding, and which is acceptable. All right, very simple. Then we have the affiliate plan, which tells you that you can actually make money even if you don't have money. What do I mean? You brought in 10 persons, you brought in 20 persons, you brought in 50 persons, they register with your referral link, and they deposited their money, they invested their money goes into business Monday to Friday, and by Saturday they earn money, they earn $5,000, $10,000 or $2,500, whatever they earn based on their capital. The company say you are going to get some percentage from whatever they have earned, and I'm going to show you. And whatever volume that is generated, whatever business or profit that is made, the investors will take 50% of that. Then you, the networker, whether you came in with money or you didn't come in with money, but as long as you brought in investors that deposited their money to the system, the company said their profit is going to be equal to business volume. So $1 will be equal to 1 business volume. 1 BV will be equal to $1. And you are now going to start earning 10% of whoever you brought has earned, whatever they earn. For example, you brought in Mr. A and B, and both of them, A fell to the right side and B fell to the left side. Whatever they earn in that week, you're going to get 10% of that. You get from Mr. A and you get from Mr. B, 10%. That is what we call the direct referral bonus. The income is distributed every week. I say every week, not monthly. Every week, from profit generated from the same business. From the same business. What is this saying? Somebody joined you today. You are going to earn from him this week. Next week, you're going to earn from the same person. Upper week, you're going to earn. The next 6 months, the next 1 year, 3 years, 5 years, you're going to be earning from the same person. Even if you don't bring a new person, you keep earning from that single person. That's the 5 of them, the 10 of them, the 20 of them you've brought. You earn from them every single week. This is a tsunami of wealth creation. I have never seen it before. That is what we're talking about over and over and over. And that is what? 10%. Then we have the second one they call binary bonus. The binary bonus is the income that is distributed every week from profit generated from the same business volume. I told you that when a profit is being generated, 50% goes to the investor, 50% will be converted to business volume. Then you, the person who brought the investors, will earn 10% referral. Then the business volume, you're going to also be earning 12% binary bonus. So if it is $100, you're going to, that is 100 business volume, that will be $100. That is what you're going to earn. That is what I mean is you're going to earn 12%. After earning first 10% referral, you're going to earn another 12% binary bonus. For those that are networkers, your right leg and your left leg, or let me say your weak leg and your strong leg will be matched, and you'll be paid 12% on your weaker leg. Example is you have you have this particular tree here where you have the business volume is 10,000 and your other leg is the weaker leg is having $8,000. Now what happens? You're going to get 12% of $8,000, which gives you $950. And then the system will now deduct 8,000 from 10,000. The remaining balance of 2,000 will be shifted to the next week. That is what we call spillover. It will now be carried over to the next week. It will be carried over to the next week, and that gives you another beginning week business volume that will pay you again that week. How to qualify for the binary is very, very, very simple. Very simple. Just register. After registering, get people on the right side and on the left side. Let them invest their money, and you will start earning immediately. In this example, you have 2 direct referrals, each with a portfolio. You qualify for the binary as you have volume in both of your binary, both of your sides, right and left, qualifies you for binary. Very simple. Very simple. If you have something on the right and you don't have on the left, you are not qualified. So make sure you have something on both the right and the left. And ladies and gentlemen, you're going to earn from the weaker side, where you have lesser business volume. You will earn. Then the third bonus is called the matching bonus. The matching bonus is 10%. All right. The income is distributed every week from portfolio generated from direct business volume. Whatever your people, your community, your organizations are earning in their binary, you will earn from them. And you're going to be earning from the first level, the second level, and the third level. You earn 2% from your first level. What does it mean? All the people under you on the first level, the people you use your link to refer or to register, if they are 20 or they are 10, whatever binary bonus they earn, you're going to get 2% of that without any stress. There is no condition, no criteria. Now, the second level is the people they brought. Whatever binary bonus they get, you will get 4% of that. The third level, another 4%. Very simple. Now, other companies will say 5% on the first level, 4% on the second level, 3% on the third, blah, blah, blah. So why? Because they know that on the second and the third level, you have more people, more population. So we are going to be earning less there. But here we say, no, the first level, earn little. The second level, where you have more people, earn more money. We'll give you more percentage. Earn more, feel free. Then the third level, where you have more community, larger community, earn more money from there. That is the difference between NWP and actually other companies. And in this, there's no capping. There is no capping. But on the binary, I want to let you know there is capping of $5,000 in a week. You can only earn $5,000 on binary commission in a week. But if you multiply that times 4, which is you can earn up to $20,000 in a month. Multiply that by your currency. That is some good money. But I want to tell you, referral bonus, there is no capping. You can earn $1 million on referral. You can earn any amount. On matching bonus, where you have a lot of money, you can earn $10 million. You can earn any amount of money every single week. It is very simple, very interesting. How do you earn? You earn direct bonus every week. You earn binary bonus every week. You earn matching bonus every single week. How do we withdraw our money? Ladies and gentlemen, withdrawal is every single week. If you have earned your money, your withdrawal, your commission, your profit, you can withdraw it every day. But for now, your capital can be withdrawn every weekend. Saturday and Sunday, you can withdraw your capital very free. Your principal will drop immediately. You initiate withdrawal, your principal drops in your wallet between 4 hours to 24 hours. Why? Because the money you're depositing goes to the liquidity provider, and that makes it very safe and secure. So that is why when you make your initiate your withdrawal, the money drops within 4 to 24 hours. But if you're withdrawing your profit, it drops immediately. I tell you the truth, I was with a friend that invested. He's an engineer with the oil, one of the oil projects. He made I told him, I wanted to try something. Withdraw what you have earned. He withdrew it while we were still on WhatsApp call. He said the money dropped in 7 seconds. I lie not. It dropped in 7 seconds. Some people, their own drop in 15 seconds, not up to 30 seconds. In this project, instantly, your money drops. That is what we're talking about. All right? Why? Because we are working with it's on blockchain. It's a project done on blockchain. It is amazing, and it is very smart. How much do you pay? What is the fee you pay when you want to withdraw? We have minimum withdrawal of $5. $5 is the minimum withdrawal. And if you're withdrawing your capital or your principal, you are paying zero fee, zero. You are not going to pay any money when you are withdrawing your capital. Does this sound interesting? Ladies and gentlemen, that is the sweetest thing we have ever seen in this industry. Some companies will tell you if you deposit your money and you want to withdraw it in 30 days time, minimum of 30 days, we are taking 30%. Some of them will tell you if you want to withdraw it in 60 days or 3 months, 20%. Another one, 6 months, 10%. They must take something, but this company says zero. You are not paying anything. The profit, if you are withdrawing your profit, you pay 5%. If you are withdrawing your commission, you pay 5% withdrawal fee. Then the upcoming reward or bonuses that is coming soon is the rewards and recognition. Also, the travel incentives will be coming very soon. That when it comes, it's going to come. We're going to be launching them very soon. Maybe in our Thailand trip or in the foreign trip, either Dubai or Thailand, any of those countries by next month ending or early March, this particular commission's bonuses will be launched. We have an amazing trip coming up very soon. And what is it? It's all about the launch of NWP, the global launch, the main launching is coming up next month. Like I showed you before, February. Towards the end of February, we're going to be launching it, and it's going to be in some countries. We have 3 countries in mind. We have Turkey, we have Dubai, we have Thailand in mind. But due to some factors, all right, where that affects Africa, like it's a little bit difficult for Africans to get Turkey visa and all that. And some countries are having some restrictions with Dubai and all that. So we are still looking between Dubai and Thailand. So it's going to be, the decision will be made in few days on the country is going to be, but it's going to be actually based on voting. So when you qualify, you go to the platform and cast your vote. And when you cast your vote, and definitely you will be able to choose the country you want to travel to. If you like Thailand, if you like Dubai, you can choose it. Now we have this particular promotion that can enable you participate in the launch in any of those countries. If you deposit in your own account, if you make a deposit of $3,000, all right, you'll be qualified to travel for free. All expense paid trip, your ticket, your hotel, your hotel accommodation, your feeding, all the local visitation trips, fun, everything will be for free. The only thing you need to provide is your visa. And if you need some documentation that will enable you to process your visa, the company will provide for you any vital document you need. And if you want to travel with your family, you, your spouse, and 2 of your children less than 18 years, then you can deposit $10,000. And don't forget, this money is your money. It's not the company's money. It's your own. So it is safe and secure. So you are depositing just to travel. All right. Now but another thing you have to know, the condition is that this money you're depositing, if you agree, eventually you're going to travel, it will be locked for 12 months, starting from when you deposited it. It will be locked from 10 months, or when you say, yes, I'm traveling, then it will be locked for 12 months. Within the 12 months, you will be earning your profit every single week. your profit will not be tampered with. You'll be earning every week. At the end of 12 months, your capital will be unlocked. This money will be unlocked. You can pull it out and walk away if you want. If you want to continue, you can continue the business. Now, why are they locking this money? Very simple. We are not paying for the trip. They are paying for us. They are paying for you to travel, right? Now they need to generate profit. They need to make profit from that money to cover the expenses of all the things they're going to spend on you. That is the reason. And for that reason, it's like a free trip because you brought the money to make profit, and your profit will keep coming to you every single week. Very simple. And if you say, no, I don't have money to invest, I don't have that kind of money to invest for myself or travel with my children, the company say, yes, we are considering you because we are considering you to be a networker. For that reason, bring in 8 investors. Bring in 8 investors that come in with $3,000 each, and you will be the 9th person who will travel for free. Very simple. Bring in 8 investors, you'll be the 9th person who will travel for free. Very simple. And if you say, I don't have investors, but I have people that can come in with $10, $20, $30, $50, $100, $1,000, $10,000, $20,000, I can bring those kind of community, those kind of people. Fine. The company said, then earn $1,000 in your binary commission, only binary commission, earn $1,000, and you are free to travel for free. That sounds very interesting and sweet. Ladies and gentlemen, so everybody is considered. Everybody is recognized. Are you an investor? You are welcome. Are you a networker? You are welcome. Everybody is accepted and appreciated to travel. And ladies and gentlemen, if you want to know more about this project, about NWP, join us today. Talk to the person that brought you, chat up the person who invited you to the call tonight, and tell him, I want to be part of this great family. I want to make money. I want to make money, even with money or without money. I want to make money. All right. And let me tell you something. You must be focused. You must be determined. You must give your best. You must work hard, because wealth is not cheap. There is no matter how long you go in the wrong direction, you can never get to the right destination. Wealth is not cheap. So you have to give something. That is why somebody said, for every rise, there is a price. You must pay the price to make money. And that is the price of taking this business as a point of duty, preaching it everywhere you go. And you may not really know who is going to say yes, because a lot of people are waiting to say yes. They're looking for something good and legit to start up, to invest their money. And this is one of it. So if you want to know more, if you have any question, query, situation, just go to this particular place, take the number, add it to your WhatsApp, chat them up. If you have any problem, you can chat them up, and our support team will respond to you very fast. You can follow us on the YouTube, on Twitter, on Instagram, also on Facebook. These are the social medias. And ladies and gentlemen, I want to let you know that this Are you ready for that? Do you want to be one of those? If you want to be one of those that will be part of those that will be millionaire in dollars, I want you to go to the chat room and type yes. Go to the chat room and type yes, because we are about to take the world by storm using NWP, Network Profit, as a vehicle. Are you ready? If you are ready, then, ladies and gentlemen, let's do it. Let's do it. This is question time. You have questions? You want to ask question? Feel free, raise your hands to ask your question. Thank you so much for those that have said yes. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, question time. If you have any question, feel free to ask. Yeah, feel free to ask. I think we finished in about 35 minutes or 30 minutes thereabout. Okay, I think about 40 minutes thereabout. So I want us to finish in the next few minutes. I want this meeting to be done. Yeah, please, question, feel free. Raise your hand, ask your question.